Mishka. Ready. Show them your outfit. Naka-raincoat. Lalabas na naman kasi kami. Kasi imimit namin sa Abhi sa kanilang office. Kasi yung plano sana namin is mag-pizza night kami. Kasi meron pa kaming voucher sa Pizza Hut. And then may kailangan akong bilhin sa Smart Bazaar. And yung isa ko pang agenda is kailangan ko magpa-passport photo ni Mishka and yung ID picture ko din. Kasi yung pinapassport photo namin last time, hindi pala siya pwede guys kasi dapat naka-yellow si Mishka na uniform niya. So binaan ko lang dito sa bag yung kanyang uniform. Kung makapagpa-picture kami, mamaya papalitan ko na lang siya. And yun nga, yung pizza night sana namin na 3. Ewan ko bakit sa kanilang office ni Abhi, meron silang pizza party ngayon. So sabi niya, pumunta ka dito kasi hinintay kami ng kanyang mga office mate. So ngayon, hinintay lang namin yung auto na magsusundo sa amin dito ni Mishka kasi umuulan. Lalakarin lang sana namin papunta dun sa labasan. I know it's okay naman. Hindi naman umuulan.
Mom, your chair so beautiful.
Thank you. Tara, let's. Dapat naka-bonnet talaga tayo guys for safety. Magugos lang ito ni Mishka guys kasi mayroong toppings. Right?
Daddy, what spicy?
Tingnan niyo guys, kinuha niya lahat ng toppings. At yung tinapay lang yung kinain niya. Dito muna tayo guys, i-check ko if meron silang hand gloves para sa akin. If wala, check ko din sa Big Bazaar, Smart Bazaar pala. Ito yung parang supermarket nila dito aside sa Smart Bazaar and more hypermarket. Saan yung gloves nila? Sapatos din. Stationery. Ah. Okay. What do you want na naman? Okay. Okay. Wait, love, I'll check. Wait. It's nice. Ang ganda din ng socks. No, this is big gani. Very small for me. Dito na kami sa bahay. And ano oras na ba? Alas 8 na. Umuulan sa labas. But we are safe kasi dala naman namin yung aming mga raincoat. And bumili si Abhi ng moton. Kasi mag-moton curry daw siya tonight. Alas 8 na guys. Hindi pa naman kami gutom. Kasi nag-pizza nga kami doon sa kanilang office. So we are still full. Parang hindi na kami magdi-dinner. Pero excited lang siya na magluto ng kanyang moton gravy. Moton curry. So, magluluto siya. Maybe it will take 2 hours. Mga alas 10 na. So, we'll see if kakain pa kami mamaya. What's that? Eat that. Finish it na. Bumili kami ng sibuyas. Puro 1 kilo yan. Tapos, ito talaga yung nilapas ko for washing dishes. Kasi nga, malamig ang tubig dito. Tapos, all the time, basa yung kamay ko kasi nagpupugas, naglilinis. So, para safe, I need yung sakto lang pala sa akin. This is just enough for me. I should have taken the large. It's okay, you are not washing dishes na. Next time, I will buy large. Anyway, now I'm the one who's washing all the dishes all the time.
Anyway, that will be used in a few days.
Para hindi mayat-maya basa yung kamay ko, guys. Dahil sa lamig. Ito, Scotch Brite. Meron kasi sa online. Kanina niya ako sinabihan na umorder ng gloves kasi palagi ko naguhugas, basta yung kamay at malamig yung tubig. So, sinearch ko sa Amazon and it will take 5-6 days to arrive. So, sabi ko, titingnan ko dito sa mga shops if meron. Later na gloves. Excited na siya kasi bumili kami ng pastry. Do you want to eat now or later? Daddy, do you want to eat? Mimi, Daddy will not eat now. You eat later. You want to eat now?
Yes.
Okay. Excited na siya. Close it. Yung maganda dito sa aming tirahan ngayon, guys, sobrang lapit namin sa bilihan. Merong pastry shop dito. Dito lang sa labasan pala namin. So, sabi ko, pag mag-birthday si Mishka, dyan kami bibili. Tapos, yun, naisip niya, bumili nga tayo ng pastry. Matry nga. Tapos, sa kabilang side naman, dito lang din sa labasan, merong shop ng mga nagre-repair ng plate number, bike-related na shop. And yung plate number ni Abhi na, ano siya, na, what do you call that? It got broken ba? It got broken. Na ano siya, na, it got broken, nasira. So, nagpagawa siya, 150 lang yung ano, yung charge. Tapos, ang lapit-lapit lang dito. Sobrang accessible sa lahat itong area namin. So, this is what we've got from the pastry shop. Go get the bowl. I've loved the stainless bowl. Ito yung binili namin. This one? What color is this? Oh, no. Ito yung gusto niya. What color is this?
Blueberry.
The flavor is blueberry, but what is the color?
It's
What? What's the color of that? What's the color? Yummy. This one is for Dad. You like it? Is it yummy? Okay, we eat it. Yung bola ni Mishka, kitang-kita dito. Diyan ko siya kinabit, guys, kasi may nakita ako na video sa Instagram. Like, to keep your toddler busy and magawa mo yung mga household chores mo. Lagay ka ng ball dito. Maglalaro lang siya dyan. Diba? Mabibisi siya kakalaro. So, dyan ko na lang nilagay. Perfect din itong lagayan ng kurtina nila eh. My husband from work is now busy preparing for his mutton gravy. From the time we came here, Daddy, this is the first time you are cooking for us.
No, I cooked chicken.
You have cooked chicken. When?
Chicken leg. First day maybe.
Huh?
Chicken leg I cooked already.
I don't remember. Okay. I remember the paneer when Vinit came.
Chicken first day I cooked chicken. What I know, I came from office. I was having lunch.
Hindi ko matandaan. Sige na nga lang. Okay. We will do the preparation. I will do the washing dishes pala. Yan na yung aming mutton curry. Isang oras pa siguro yung pagluluto nito. 1 hour, Daddy? Will take 1 hour more.
Minimum.
Ha?
Minimum.
Movie night kami ngayon while waiting sa aming mutton curry. Milky, milky. Almost done, guys. Nag-pressure cooker na kami kasi ang tagal niyang maluto pag normal lang na pan yung lulutuan.
Big piece ng chapati ba?
Add little more salt. Medyo kulang yung salt niya eh. Okay. Then we'll have chapati. Half chapati, half rice. Come on. Teamwork kami sa paggawa ng chapati. Sinaserve na ni Sir yung aming mutton curry. Lagyan na natin ng... I will put the chapati there na lang ah.
Yeah.
This is yours. 3 for you. 3 for me. And 4 for me. Let's go. Kain tayo. We're going to sleep now.
Hello.
Say thank you so much for watching.
Take a look at my video. Yes, you can. Eat the burger right now.
Right now. Demanding.